MetaTrader4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader4 and not MetaTrader5. You cannot use this on derived platform. This is strictly meant for MT4 and not MT5. Before you take any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there's any news concerning any pair you want to trade, so that you will not be trading against fundamental analysis after you've done your technical analysis. So it is good that you check Forex Factory, and before you trade, make sure you are trading on a regulated Forex brokers. We have a lot of scam outside there as a Forex broker, so it is important that you check if the broker you are trading with is regulated or not. Make sure you check it out and practice on a demo account, irrespective of any strategy indicators that you have. Either you pay for it or you got it freely. Make sure you check it out on demo account, see how it play out before you go live on any regulated Forex brokers. So make sure you check it out and trade on a demo account from your regulated Forex brokers and see how it plays out. And let me advise you, do not use any amount that you cannot afford to deposit on your real account. If it is $1,000 you want to put on your real Forex account, make sure you only try with 1,000 demo account on a regulated Forex broker. So having said that, let us move on to today's strategy. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my channel, make sure you give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button after you've subscribed. So make sure you subscribe, give me a thumb up and turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. Now, this is how I use these simple indicators. I've combined like 3 indicators together for this particular strategy, and make sure you follow me closely as you try it out on your own regulated Forex brokers also. This is the first thing you have to look out for. I have a lot of band here. This is not a single band. These are multiple bands from the same indicator but with different setting. So at the bottom, at the lower part is white color, while the upper part is both orange and red color. And what I do is this: the first thing you have to look out for, the candle. Either you use candle or whatever, or the line, whatever thing you use, it must be above the upper band before you look out for a sell, and it must be at the lower band before you look out for a buy. And that's the first rule. So after you see any of the candle or the market getting to the upper part of the band, make sure you look out for the other indicators for confirmation. And the second indicator you have to look out for is this, my TFF indicator. And what you have to do is this blue line must cross below the white line. Here's the white line here, here's the white line here. So this blue must cross below it. So at this point we have a confirm signal generated from this indicator. And the last indicator on the chart is this arrow, and this gives us a sell here. These are the upper band, and this cross below the white thick line. The blue cross below the white thick line. So let that candle close, then you can enter your trade. And this is a good setting, and I'm on 15-minute time frame now. This is where we have all the indicators in agreement. So this cross around this point, and this is where we have a good setup. And for a buy, we have another setup here. These are the candle as the lower band. Then we have the blue arrow. This is above the white thick lines above. So this is a confirmed setup also. So you can use this on any time frame you want to, but make sure you follow this simple rule. Now let's check it out on 4 hours. I know some of us will like trading on higher time frame, and it is good that you trade on higher time frame if you do not have time to sit on your laptop. Here we have a buy setup here at the lower band already, so we look out for a buy signal. Though we have it here, it touches the lower band here, but when you look for the other indicators, especially the last indicator here, TFF, is still under the white color. It crossed above here after about a week before we have crossing above the white line. So once the candle close, then you can place your trade. So at this particular point, we have all the indicators in agreement for a serious move to the upside until this point that we have another sell signal here. This cross below the thick white line, and when you check it here also, we have a down move. And let's check the last arrow indicator if we have it there. Though we do not have this, oh, we have it here. This is where it is. Let me show you. It's because I'm using red color and it's difficult to see, so I advise you that you change the color. Maybe you change it to yellow so that we'll be able to see it clearly. And at this point, we have confirmation also for a sell. And the last signal we have here, this crossed above the white stick line. It happens around the lower band, and we have the arrow. So this is a triple confirmation for any trade you want to take. And here is another sell signal at the upper band. Then we have the red arrow here. This cross below the white thick line. So we have another sell signal generated here. And your stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high before the signal was generated for a sell, and for a buy few pips below the previous low before the signal was generated, and you write your trend. So this is how to trade this particular strategy. I have combined few indicators together for you to try out on your MetaTrader4, and make sure you do that on your regulated Forex brokers. All the indicators I use for this particular strategy are in the video description. Make sure you download it, and I did include my template so that you have the same setting like mine. I have a lot of indicators here combined together to give me this thick line. So it is important that you trade on regulated Forex broker. Very, very important. Do not waste your time practicing on a broker's platform that is not regulated. Make sure you trade with regulated Forex brokers. In my video description, I drop some links to some of these regulated Forex brokers. I have been using them, and I do not have any issue trading with them, either depositing money or withdrawing my hard-earned money. Please trade on regulated Forex broker. Trade on regulated Forex broker. I say it again, trade on Forex regulated brokers, and make sure you demonstrate any strategy before you go live with it, either paid indicators or paid Forex signal or paid Forex strategy. Make sure you try it out on your demo account, on your Forex trading demo account before you go live. It is advisable you do that. Till I come your way again, happy trading and bye for now.